Hello, I have a Goodwill haul, but first I was going to show my Easter decor, such as it is. This is the bear that I rescued from the creepy estate sale. And there's his bunny friend. I called him Theo. And this one, Vincent. No, wait, this is Vincent. I'm sorry. I'm so confused. This is Theo up here. This is Vincent because he's missing that ear. Okay, got that straightened out. Thank goodness. There's my Rushton bunny. There's Fat Boo Boo. These guys, Dollar Tree. Just a few. These are kind of flocked. That's my Myling doll from Sweden. There's another one. I got those from Mother T. And some Joanna Parker. It's kind of hard to see here. And there's Lynn Boo Boo and some other Boo Boos. And in here, more Joanna Parker. Those guys are from, I don't know, Home Goods or something. And the other thing I have is my little bead. What did they used to call these? Egg dyeing kits. The name escapes me right now. They were the egg dye kits, and these characters were on them. And I can't remember the name. But I did these little wooden bead and chenille critters of them. And I got a bunny up here. And that's it. So, on to the haul. Hello. I got a quick Goodwill haul. It's not really enough to do a whole video, so I just do this short one. We went to Goodwill. I haven't been in a while. And it wasn't too bad. They had 30% off of red tags. I actually got 2 red tag items. Amazing. And here's what I got. I got this cool ashtray. We don't smoke, but I like to use these in decor. And it was 30% off of $1.99. And it's like that, it's almost like that Texas ware, or we used to call them barf bowls, melamine type deal. So I really like this. So 30% off $1.99. This cup is from, this was $2.99. Here it is. Black Angus was a restaurant out here in Western Washington and Eastern Washington. I guess they had them over there too. But it was like a steakhouse. It was really good back in the day. And what's it say? Home of the Angus Sour. You'll like our liquor. And Texas bullshit. And there's a cute little guy on there, but the tag's over his head. I don't think I can get it off. They put these tags... They put these tags on. Oh, you can kind of see it in there. He's a really cute little guy. I have to soak it off. It says Mr. Angus. Stuart Anderson was his name. And he took a lot of his profits and started senior, I can't remember what they're called. They're senior housing for low-income people. I can't remember what they're called. We still have them around here. I don't know. I don't think he's still around, but the housing is. So this is nice. And then I got, this was $2, so it was a third. So I got the red tag on this. It's just a really nice matte pottery, and it's got kind of an odd shape vase. So I think that's kind of nice. I was looking for a vase yesterday for my camellias, and when one rhodie's starting to bloom. It's crazy. Then we got this little lantern-y thing. It's kind of cute. This was $3.99 red tag, so 30% off. You can I think we're going to take these things off. But I kind of like this wire deal. I got this kind of going on in the dining room. And this has a little battery light in it, so that's kind of cool. Is there a timer? No. Nuts. I might take it out and put a timer one in there. So it's okay. And then this is what I was doing okay until I ran across these. These are really nice. Kind of earthenware bowls. It was $5.99 for 2. They're CB2. And they look like they haven't even been used. Par, Natalie Weinberger, made in Portugal. They're really nice. If it hadn't been CB2 and so neutral, and this is almost the shape of the Tupperware bubble bowls. I really like them. So I will be moving some old losers out. So I got 6. So 6 bowls. And then I found plates for $10 for 3. So that's like 3 something a plate. There they are. And they're really nice. They're matte finish. There's some knife marks on here, but you can get these right off with the Clorox sponge magic eraser. Comes right off. I learned that from the Starburst. Collecting Starburst all these years. So these are really nice. So I got 6 of these, 6 of those. So we're good on plates. I haven't looked them up to see if they still have them or not. They had dinner plates, but they were huge. I don't even think they'd fit in my cupboards here. And I don't want a dinner. They were almost like charger size. They were like this big. So I skipped those. And then I wanted to clue you in on this. You see this at the dollar store? Get it. It's really good. It's from Turkey. Made with kadayif and pistachio cream. It's so smooth and melty and yummy, creamy good. And these sell at, I think I saw them at Ross, and they were quite a bit more. So if you ever see these, grab them and try them and see what you think. But they're from Turkey. Yeah, made in. What does it say? I can't pronounce it. Someplace in Turkey, but they have the best chocolate there. So yum on that. And that's what I've got. So I'll see you later. Bye-bye.